How you doing? KerinRealty with Education 101. Today is obtaining a mortgage. How you doing? I'm Kerin with KerinRealty.
Hi, Rob, the Jory branch manager here at Freedom Mortgage in Tampa.
So today we're going to do a nice educational video about obtaining a mortgage. So every day we have buyers that call us up and they're ready to buy a house. And we start with the real estate and they got a lot of questions on the mortgages. This is where Rob comes in. Unbelievable, the guy knows everything there is to know about mortgages. So what they would like to know is, what is the first step, start from scratch, to obtain a mortgage, to get a mortgage broker, lender, and what they should be looking for?
I would say number one is definitely ask the advice of your realtor. They've been in this industry and business and they've vetted a lot of people, so they can definitely recommend a good broker or lender for you. Number two would be to get your documents ready, have your last 2 years tax returns, have your pay stubs ready, have your bank statements available. This is gonna help the lender like me give you the strongest pre-approval possible. And you really wanna know the amount you qualify for and what the payments would be. So this helps me a lot.
I agree. So, when looking for a house, before you go driving around, before you kind of want to look at that 4-bedroom at $300,000, $200,000, $100,000 price range, I think it's really important to know what the bank's going to lend you. Credit score, obviously important, what debt you have out there. Make it easier to know that you're organized and you have everything ready to sit and talk to Rob. Because obviously that's going to be the most important thing for them. I mean, with the credit score, what are you looking at minimum this day and age?
So usually, let's say I get your information, we would have just a short interview where I ask some basic questions about employment, what you have saved, and I also would need to order a credit report. That really helps me determine that debt to income ratio. So also the credit report allows me to obtain the credit score. So we're looking at the 3 credit scores from all 3 credit bureaus.
Right.
We take the middle score to qualify. And really, nowadays there's a lot of flexibility with programs. So you really want to have a 580 or above. But you have the most programs available if you have a 640 or above.
Okay, and then there's questions like, how long do I have a job for? Is there myths or rumors between like your job or what kind of job you have to switch over to and whatnot?
There's so many rules with employment and pay structures. Typically it's 2 years that we look for, but there are times when you can be on the job 1 day and we can use your income. It's really just scenario specific, so it's best to talk to your lender about your pay structure, how long you've been with your employer, prior employment, and they can help you determine what you need for that.
All right, so basically what it comes down to is when you guys are ready, if you have any questions, contact Rob. His phone number's on the bottom of the screen. There's no wrong time to call him or text him, and let's find you a house today.
Thank you.